Okay, here we are on the floor with a giant suitcase. The suitcase is huge, but I have to share it. We're bringing one suitcase for 3 people, so I need to take up less than half of this, obviously. Let's try. Okay, first we'll be at the beach, and the hotel has, I think, 2 pools, indoor and outdoor, so we need swimsuits. I own 2 swimsuits, and I'm bringing them both. We'll be there for 5 full days, so bring in 2. This one, it's more like a dress. This thing comes down to my knees. Okay, and 1 more swimsuit. This one. It's also got a skirt on it. I'm very modest when it comes to swimwear. I don't own a bikini or even a 2-piece swimsuit. Okay, next, clothes. Okay, we've got dress I bought in Hawaii. This is my resort wear. Ha ha ha. I got this a long time ago. I haven't been there in years, but it's a favorite of mine, but not so appropriate for walking around Sendai. So I'll bring this cheap Forever 21 dress, also good for walking around the pool or beach. Next, in case we go to a restaurant or go into town, I don't know what we're gonna do. We don't really have an itinerary decided. Itinerary means plan. It's usually used for a trip. But anyway, we don't have a plan, but I'll bring this dress. It's comfortable. And 1 more beach appropriate dress. This thing is ancient. Look at this. It's maybe 15 years old. Okay, and a couple of tops, shirts. Just this. And a few more tops. I guess it's gonna be really hot there. I've been to Okinawa twice. I went once when I was pregnant. It was lovely. There was a huge typhoon though, so we couldn't do much. We were stuck in the hotel. For 1 day, we couldn't even leave the hotel. Everything was shut down. Doors were locked. And I'll just bring 1 more skirt. Another not Sendai appropriate skirt. I will pack my undies later, or underwear. This beach towel. Check this out. Ukulele playing cat. Little bit creepy. But he's cute. So I'm gonna bring this beach towel. This is from Hawaii to Walmart. I'm sure the hotel has beach towels that they lend people, but this is too cute not to bring. Okay, cat is packed up. Okay, I'll just bring a tote bag for either shopping or dirty laundry. Beach tote bag is from Hawaii too. Beach bag for towels, water, baby stuff. And 1 pair of jammies. Jammy top and jammy shorts. Jammies is pajamas. Do you guys usually pack too much? Not enough? Or are you a good packer? Okay. Almost lastly, we've got this thing. We've got a little bit of makeup. Not much. And in here, what a magic! Not sponsored. Water Magic magic UV oil sunscreen. Got another sunscreen, contacts. I'll bring sunglasses too. We've got the shell again. That will carry chargers, electronic stuff. Okay, I feel like I have taken up too much space here. We've got baby's swim diapers so he can go swimming in the pool. Those are important. Okay, that's it. I will try to condense this more, bring it together to make a little bit more space for my traveling companions. Okay, last thing I need to do is pack the cat. Pack the cat. Just kidding. Ooh, sorry. Not gonna pack the cat, okay? Although I wish I could take him. Yeah, you wanna go swimming. Okay, we are done packing. Please like this video if you liked it and comment. Let me know if there's any videos you want to see and subscribe for more videos coming up several times a week. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.